Hi, I'm Rina Kai with Compass. Today I cannot wait to show you this incredible masterpiece here in Palmetto Bay. But before we head inside, let me show you this amazing neighborhood of Palmetto Bay.
Palmetto Bay offers incredible parks such as Coral Reef Park, spanning more than 50 acres. It features many sports courts, playgrounds, picnic areas, walking trails, and much more. Additionally, there is a historical dwelling estate, a 444 acres historical site along the coast of Biscayne Bay. This community offers many activities including golf, tennis, paddleboarding, kayaking, biking, and people often drive around in their golf cart. Moreover, Palmetto Bay is known for its excellent education system, both public and private schools.
Palmetto Bay offers perfect mix of luxury living and family-friendly fun. When you enter the house from gated private entrance, you will immediately notice the open floor plan.
This modern two-level home features designer finishes, upgrades, volume ceiling, and floor-to-ceiling windows for the seamless indoor-outdoor living experience.
If you come this way, it's a custom kitchen with the high-end appliances.
The modern all-white kitchen offers both elegance and contemporary looks. It's a chef's dream kitchen.
Here is family room. Perfect for entertaining and get together with the family.
The connection to the living area and sliding doors to the outdoor space is also perfect for the open concept living.
On main level, there is one private bedroom here. In this private bedroom, there is a huge walk-in closet here. Let's go upstairs.
There is a primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. Take a look at this gorgeous primary suite. It will blow you away with this space. The master suite has 2 distinct areas, a perfect sitting area for watching movies before going to the bed, a spacious bedroom area with a balcony for relaxing after a busy day at work, and the dream closet. This is a dream master bedroom.
When you have a party, you can open this door to enjoy your open living, indoor-outdoor living. The backyard is incredible with the modern pool and spa. This is the perfect setting for the entertaining, and you will enjoy the Palmetto Bay luxury living.